Hey everyone, I am here camping out with my dad for my birthday, even though it was a late celebration thing. And I'm hoping that I could finally get to 100K in the next 48 hours or something. Thanks in advance. You know, there's like a big visa over here. Makes it feel very Lovecraftian to be. You know? I just hope it's satisfactory for you guys. Any thoughts, Dad?
Peace.
That's all?
Peace.
Huh. Hey guys, it's Leviathan again. My dad and I just barely made this tent, and there's this river next to us, which should be some kind of Zen experience for the night. I just really hope that it's all satisfactory in the long run. You know what I'm saying?